Dan, have you seen the new Godzilla movie?
No, Dr. Jill, I haven't seen it yet. Is it good?
I've heard good things about it. We're watching it tonight. Want to come join us?
Thanks, but I've made other plans. But this may help us explain another verb tense, the present perfect.
That's right. When we ask about someone's experience, for example, seeing a movie, hearing a song, or reading a book, we use the present perfect.
It's the tense we use for a past event that is important to the present. You asked me, have you seen the Godzilla movie? Because it's important to your invitation.
That's perfect. Besides, if you've seen the movie once, you probably would not want to see it again. You might be bored.
Good point. Back to the present perfect. To make it, use the auxiliary verb have with a past participle.
I've read that we also use the present perfect to talk about something in the very recent past. Like this. I've just finished reading this new book of poetry by Amanda Gorman.
The Hill We Climb? She's a wonderful poet. I've seen her on TV, but I haven't read her book.
One more thing about the grammar. Did you notice we often use the short forms, I've or I haven't? That's really common when we answer questions with the present perfect.
Yeah, I did notice that. And I've got to go now. That's Everyday Grammar.